The role of a courtier during the Middle Ages was both prestigious and demanding. Encompassing a wide range of duties and offering numerous benefits, courtiers were individuals who served in the royal courts, often holding positions that required them to be in close proximity to the monarch and other high-ranking nobles. Their roles were crucial in the administration and social life of the court, making them indispensable to the functioning of medieval kingdoms. One of the most immediate benefits of being a member of the royal court was the elevated social status. Courtiers were often members of the nobility or those who had been granted titles due to their service or favor with the king or queen. This status was not merely titular, it carried with it a sense of prestige and recognition that permeated throughout medieval society. Being close to the monarchy meant that a courtier's family also benefited from the associated honor and respect, often leading to advantageous marriages and alliances. Court members had unparalleled access to the king or queen, providing them with significant political influence. This proximity allowed courtiers to impact decisions, sway policies, and even alter the course of events within the kingdom. The influence wielded by a trusted courtier could extend beyond politics into areas such as the economy, military decisions, and diplomatic relations. This access to power was a coveted benefit, as it provided opportunities to shape the future of the realm and secure personal and familial interests. Financially, being part of the royal court was highly beneficial. Courtiers often received grants of land, stipends, and gifts from the monarch. These economic privileges ensured a stable and often lavish lifestyle. Additionally, court members had opportunities to engage in lucrative ventures, trade, and the management of estates, which further enhanced their wealth. The court's patronage also meant that artisans, musicians, and scholars could thrive under the financial support and protection of noble patrons. The royal court was a hub of cultural and intellectual activity. It attracted the finest artists, musicians, scholars, and craftsmen of the time. Courtiers had the unique advantage of engaging with these cultural elites, participating in and patronizing artistic and intellectual pursuits. This environment not only enriched their own lives, but also allowed them to contribute to the cultural legacy of their time. The court was a center for learning where the latest ideas in science, philosophy, and art were discussed and disseminated. The primary duty of any courtier was unwavering loyalty to the monarch. This loyalty was not just expected, but was a fundamental aspect of their role. Courtiers were required to support the king or queen in all endeavors, whether in times of peace or conflict. This duty often involved participating in councils, advising on state matters, and even accompanying the monarch into battle. The trust placed in courtiers by the monarch demanded a high level of dedication and allegiance. Courtiers were often entrusted with significant administrative duties. These could range from managing royal estates, overseeing financial matters, and organizing court ceremonies, to ensuring the smooth functioning of the court's daily operations. Diplomatically, courtiers played crucial roles as ambassadors and envoys, representing the interests of their monarch in foreign courts. These duties required not only administrative acumen, but also a deep understanding of international relations and the ability to negotiate effectively. In a period marked by frequent conflicts and wars, military service was a key duty for many courtiers. Nobles were expected to provide soldiers and resources for the king's armies and often led troops into battle. This military obligation was a testament to their loyalty and a demonstration of their prowess and bravery. The ability to protect and expand the kingdom's territories was a critical aspect of their role, blending personal valor with the strategic interests of the realm. Courtiers were also cultural stewards, responsible for promoting and preserving the arts and culture of the period. Patronage of artists, musicians, and writers was not just a privilege, but a duty. By supporting cultural endeavors, courtiers ensured that their court remained a vibrant center of creativity and learning. This patronage was often a reflection of the courtier's own tastes and interests, contributing to the cultural and intellectual richness of the Middle Ages. Many courtiers served in legal and judicial capacities, overseeing the administration of justice within the kingdom. This role required a deep understanding of the laws and customs of the land, as well as a fair and judicious temperament. Courts of law, often presided over by noble judges, dealt with disputes ranging from land ownership to breaches of the king's peace. The integrity and impartiality of these legal duties were crucial for maintaining order and justice within the realm. Living at court demanded strict adherence to codes of conduct and etiquette. Courtiers were expected to embody the ideals of chivalry and courtliness, demonstrating virtues such as honor, courtesy, and respect. Their behavior was constantly under scrutiny, and any breach of conduct could result in loss of favor or even expulsion from the court. This emphasis on personal conduct extended to their interactions with others, their manner of dress, and their participation in courtly ceremonies and events. Being a member of a royal court during the Middle Ages was a position of significant privilege and responsibility. The benefits, from social prestige and economic advantages to cultural enrichment and political influence, were substantial. However, these benefits came with demanding duties requiring loyalty, administrative skill, military prowess, cultural patronage, legal acumen, and impeccable personal conduct. The intricate balance of these benefits and duties defined the life of a courtier, making it a role that was as challenging as it was rewarding. The legacy of those who served in these courts continues to be felt in the cultural and historical fabric of modern society, highlighting the enduring impact of medieval courtly life.